Hi, my name is John Ronk. I've been an electrical engineer for over 25 years. One of the things that all electrical engineers learn in school is that they cannot point a PIR motion detector towards a stove or other heat source, as it will give a false reading. In this demo video, I want to show you that we have overcome that issue with our unique algorithm and sensor selection. This allows us to monitor a stove, see if someone is near the stove, and keep an eye on it. I want to also say that while this demo video is showing an early version of Stovminder, which has no smoke detection capabilities, we are also testing using smoke alarms interfaced with Stovminder and some cool ways of controlling a smoke alarm based on cooking activities. What you see on this video is covered under US patent law, and that we have issued patents and patents pending. Okay, now let's see how the Stovminder works. Here's a common gas stove, and here is our Stovminder prototype. Stovminder will also work with an electric stove. I'm going to turn this stove on with a pan sitting on the burner. What you are going to see is the Stovminder turn on and go into its monitoring sequence. Stovminder will have seen that the stove has now reached a heat set point and is now looking to see if there is anyone at the stove after an unattended time period. Now the Stovminder is in its countdown mode. I'm going to walk in front of the stove, and Stovminder will see this and restart its countdown. Now I'm going to let Stovminder go all the way through its monitoring sequence and sound an alarm that will tell us that the stove has been unattended too long. And you will see it see me and go back into its monitoring sequence. Please notice, we have made a motion detector that can now look at a stove. If a dog or child walks in between the stove and the Stovminder, as long as they are under the height of the stove, there will not be a disruption in the monitoring cycle. As you can see, we have a PIR alarm that can monitor motion while looking at a heat source. This is based on our unique algorithm and sensor selection. What will be able to be done with this new technology is still unfolding. We are using it to make the kitchen a safer place. One of the questions that comes up the most is, what about if you want to cook a big pot of chili or stew? Wouldn't the alarm be going off all the time, unless I was running back to check on it every few minutes? The answer is no. So long as there is water in the pot, it will not get hot enough to start Stovminder's timer. If the water was to boil out, then the temperature would raise and Stovminder would tell you that you better get back to the stove. We have used this prototype to show you the basic function that our unique alarm has. It can monitor motion while looking directly at a heat source, in this case, a stove. Also, Stovminder can be hooked up to a home's automation system. It can notify the owner's cell phone if they've left and remind them that they left the stove on. If you have an aging mom who loves to cook but is getting a little forgetful, or a kid who is in a dorm off in college by themselves for the first time, Stovminder is for them. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. And if you would like to learn more, please contact us at stovminder.com.